Get unlimited access to all of our CPE courses at www.teachucomp.com/unlimited CPE. In 2012, there is a new surtax on fuel used in a fractional ownership program aircraft. This tax will come into play after March 31st, 2012. However, if the surtax is imposed, the following taxes do not apply: transportation of persons by air, transportation of property by air, and use of international air travel facilities. Like what you see? Get unlimited access to all of our CPE courses at www.teachucomp.com/unlimited CPE.